Welcome to StoryO, story outlining software for writers. In this lesson, we are going to go over how to download and install StoryO. If you need to download the installer for StoryO 3, go to junglesoftware.com and select Downloads from the Support pull-down menu. Scroll down to the StoryO 3 Full Product Installer and select Download Existing User Clean Install Only. These are the Macintosh installers for all the Jungle Software products. If you are installing for Windows, click the Windows link. Next, select the StoryO download link. This will download a zip file to your Downloads folder. This should only take a minute or so. As you can see, this is a real-time download. Just a few more seconds left. If your download is taking longer than this, please check your internet connection, and also make sure that your ISP does not have any firewalls or overly protective security settings. Okay, it's done. If you're using Chrome, select the three dots and then select Show in Finder. And here is the zipped file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to expand it to a DMG file. Right here, storyo3.dmg. Then double-click the DMG file. Now, for Windows, it's very similar. Locate the zip file that downloaded to your Downloads folder and right-click it to expand the installer. Then double-click the installer to run it. Okay, before you go to the next step, let me say again, do not use this installer if you are upgrading from an earlier version of StoryO. That includes version 2 or version 3. Use this installer only if you are installing StoryO 3 for the very first time or for a clean install of StoryO 3. Next, drag the StoryO 3 folder to your Applications folder. When completed, go to your Applications folder and find the StoryO 3 folder. If you open it, you will see two folders, Saved Projects and StoryO 3.x something, depending on the version of StoryO 3 that is currently available. Inside this folder, you will find the StoryO application icon. Go ahead and double-click it to launch StoryO. Click the Accept button on the license agreement. If you purchase StoryO, you should have a serial number. If you want to just try StoryO, click the Demo button. If you purchased directly from Jungle Software, the serial number should begin with an SO30. If the serial number does not begin with an SO30, then go to our Register page on our website. You will find this under the Support menu, and register your software here, entering your name, company name, email, and the code you received. After you click Register, you will receive an email with your StoryO serial number. You can type in the numbers in these boxes, or copy and paste the serial number from the email that you received. If you receive a message that you entered an incorrect serial number, make sure that your name and company name also match what is in the registration email, as they must match exactly. Next, you will be asked to authorize your copy of StoryO. Typically, you are allowed to install StoryO on 2 computers. enter a unique name for your computer, and click the Internet button. You are now in the program. That wraps up this lesson. To learn more about StoryO, please check out the other video lessons. And also check out the iOS version of StoryO, available on the App Store.